Eat these 8 foods every day to build more muscle. If you want to feel and be stronger, you need to feed your body what it needs to be sturdy. Enter protein. Protein is important to include in your diet because it contains amino acids, which our bodies use to grow and repair muscle and organ tissues. This makes protein vital for supporting muscle growth. Although taking supplements like protein shakes are one way of fulfilling your daily protein quota, they aren't required. Other ways to make sure you're getting enough protein are by including whole foods made up of protein. To make things easier, there are ways to combine foods high in protein with other nutrient-dense items that can also support muscle building. Keep watching to learn about the best foods to help you build muscle mass and boost your strength. How food helps build muscle. Although protein is essential for muscle building, it's not the only important food component in the process. According to the National Academy of Sports Medicine, a good muscle-building diet must also include plenty of carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. A balanced diet that features all these will provide the necessary ingredients to help your muscles repair and rebuild after a workout. Overall, the NASM recommends that most people consume at least 0.7 to 0.8 grams of protein and 1.8 to 3.2 grams of carbohydrates per pound of body weight each day. Total calorie intake also plays a role in muscle building, as it's difficult to build muscle if you're burning more calories than you consume. Diet alone isn't enough to stimulate muscle growth, though. Exercise, especially resistance training such as lifting weights, is necessary to start the process. When you tear the fibers in your muscles, that stimulates cellular growth and repair. That's when your body can use the food that you've eaten to rebuild and strengthen muscle tissue. Other factors also influence how effective and efficient this process is, from when you eat your food and how much rest you give your muscles between workouts to your hormonal and genetic makeup. Here are 8 muscle-building foods that you can eat to optimize your workouts and increase your muscle mass. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs have long been considered a power food, and for good reason. They're incredibly rich in nutrients from fat and protein, and include a potent mix of vitamins such as B12, B6, and thiamine. Their nutrient-dense profile makes them especially powerful, but most important is that they contain a hefty dose of leucine. This amino acid is known for its muscle-building prowess. Number 2. Fish. If you already get enough fat in your diet but need to boost your protein intake, look no further than fish. It's one of the best lean sources of protein you can eat, and it's full of other vitamins and minerals. A bonus? Fish is packed with omega-3 fatty acids. Although they're known for their many other health benefits, omega-3s may also improve muscle performance and help prevent the loss of muscle mass. Salmon and tuna are particularly great muscle-building food choices. Number 3. Nuts. When eaten in moderation, nuts are an excellent choice for building muscle. These tasty snacks offer a perfect mix of protein, fats, and fiber, making them one of the most balanced ways to supplement your workouts. You have to be careful though, as many nuts, including peanuts, which are actually legumes, are high in calories. For the most nutrient-rich options, try almonds or walnuts. Number 4. Soybeans. If you're trying to build muscle on a meatless diet, soybeans should be one of your closest friends. These are one of the most nutrient-dense legumes you can eat, and they pack a potent punch of protein to aid in building muscle. Soy contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it one of the best plant-based protein sources available. Number 5. Greek yogurt. Dairy is a unique source of protein because it provides a combination of fast-digesting whey protein and slow-digesting casein protein. When consumed together, these 2 types of protein may enhance and prolong the protein synthesis process that your muscles go through when rebuilding, helping you build your lean mass. Greek yogurt is a particularly great dairy choice because it contains twice the protein compared to regular yogurt and boasts additional probiotic health benefits you can't find in milk or cheese. Number 6. Cottage cheese. It doesn't offer the same probiotic benefits as yogurt, but cottage cheese is a great second choice for dairy-based protein. In fact, cottage cheese packs more protein than Greek yogurt, while boasting the same slow and fast-digesting combination. It's a particularly great source of casein, and it provides a significant calorie boost if you need to make sure you're getting enough. Number 7. Olive oil. It may not sound like your typical bodybuilding food, but extra virgin olive oil has become increasingly popular for its muscle benefits in recent years. Widely known as a source of healthy monounsaturated fats, olive oil also helps to reduce inflammation and slow muscle breakdown. Both of these features can aid in any muscle building regimen. Number 8. Quinoa. They don't call quinoa a superfood for nothing. This dynamic grain, it's a seed but classified as a whole grain, packs a little bit of everything, including a lot of protein, fiber, and carbohydrates, plus a hefty dose of vitamins and minerals. It's a perfect food for building muscle and maximizing the benefits of your workouts.